Namaskar, this is Payal here and welcome back to yet another episode of Skincare with Payal. So in this episode, I'm going to talk about an Indian skincare brand that is Sia Secrets. I don't know how many of you guys know about this brand, but मुझे हाल ही में इस ब्रांड के बारे में पता चला है and actually I saw an ad of this brand Sia Secret on Instagram. Then I checked their profile and their website and the products looked very attractive to me. So I ordered two products from this brand. One is Sia Secrets Hydrating Sheet Mask and another one is Sia Secret Hydrating Retexturing Facial Serum. So I'm going to talk about these two products, plus I'll give live demo. But before starting the review, let's talk about this brand Sia Secret first. So Sia Secret is New Delhi based skincare brand. It's not a new brand. It has been started back in the year 2018. So Sia Secret is expertise in herbal and Ayurvedic skincare and wellness products. Their skincare products are all free from paraben and SLS. It offers a wide variety of bath oil, gemstone bath soap, then clay face mask, sheet mask, facial serum, etc. Sia Secret also offers herbal teas and beard oils for men. Plus they have sent me two free gifts. One is hand sanitizer and another one is Sia Secret Neroli body massage oil. So chalo, now let's get started with the review. The first product I want to talk about is Sia Secret Hydrating Sheet Mask with hyaluronic acid, watermelon and vitamin B3. So its price is 199 rupees for one sheet mask, but because there was a sale going on, so I got 3 sheet masks for 299 rupees. And the sale is still going on, तो अगर आप लोग अभी इस sheet mask को खरीदोगे तो आप लोगों को भी 299 rupees में 3 sheet masks मिल जाएगा. These sheet masks are free from paraben and SLS. The active ingredients are watermelon extract. So watermelon has vitamin C in it, so it increases collagen formation, it increases blood circulation of the skin and provides a natural and radiant glow to the skin and repairs dead skin cells. Then hyaluronic acid keeps the skin hydrated and moisturized, treats dryness of the skin and reduces fine lines and wrinkles. And the next is niacinamide. Niacinamide helps to make your skin soft, smooth and supple, keeps the skin moisturized and treats hyperpigmentation. This product also has aloe vera extract, glycerin, witch hazel extract and castor oil. Now I would like to read what this product is claiming. So this sheet mask is fully soaked with a concentrated serum which consists of many beneficial ingredients to the skin such as hyaluronic acid, watermelon extract and vitamin B3. These ingredients are dissolved in water phase. The sheet mask prevents quick evaporation of the water phase and extends the time frame the ingredients require to penetrate deep into the skin. Smoothening, tendering and moisturizing, containing hyaluronic acid, watermelon extract and vitamin B3. The product can replenish collagen and elastin into the skin, restore firmness, refine the pores, supply water to moisturize skin, soften and tender the rough skin and make skin smooth and elastic from inside. So I have already used 2 of these sheet masks and now I am going to give a live review with the one sheet mask I have. Before applying the sheet mask, wash your face with any face wash. Before opening, rub oil the package to spread out all the serum and also that sheet mask gets fully absorbed in the serum. right now, and now I'm going to massage my face with this sheet mask. This sheet mask is super duper hydrating. It has made my skin soft, smooth and supple. Plus skin को बहुत bright भी कर देता है. I'm literally loving my skin right now. So yeah, this sheet mask can make your skin soft, smooth, supple, can treat dryness of the skin, can make your skin brighter. Plus you will feel very refreshed after using this sheet mask. This sheet mask can be used by all skin type. If you have dry skin, guys, go for this sheet mask because this sheet mask is super duper hydrating, and surely I'm going to repurchase this sheet mask, and it's a thumbs up from me. Guys, I have a podcast episode where I have talked about do's and don'ts of this sheet mask, how to use it properly. So guys, do listen to that podcast. Now moving on, next product I'm going to talk about is Seer Secrets Hydrating Retexturing Facial Serum with Aloe Vera and Guruchi. The main USP of this product is it will hydrate your skin, it will exfoliate the skin, plus it will retexture your skin. So the price of this product is 432 rupees for 30 ml. And I am using this facial serum for 2 months, so I am going to give a honest review on this facial serum. The packaging is really nice. It comes in a cardboard box, and this is the main product. So the active ingredients of the facial serum are aloe vera, Guruchi extract. Guruchi is a medicinal herb that is used in Ayurveda, and Guruchi has anti-inflammatory properties and antioxidant properties. This facial serum also has sugarcane extract. The sugarcane has high intensity of glycolic acid, and it helps to exfoliate the skin and helps to retexture the skin. This facial serum is water based and the formula is very lightweight, and this facial serum penetrates deep into the skin easily. This facial serum is so lightweight that you will not feel that you have applied something on your face. This facial serum claims that it helps to reduce appearance of wrinkles, fine lines, age spots, and provides improved skin firming, mild brightening, and toning for a smoother, fresher, retextured, and youthful skin. This facial serum also helps to shrink pores, clear up acne. Yes, this facial serum truly helps to reduce acne and acne scar and prevents breakout. आप स्पॉट ट्रीटमेंट भी कर सकते हो. मेरे स्किन पर जो 2-4 पिंपल था, मैंने उसके ऊपर दिस फेशियल सीरम से स्पॉट ट्रीटमेंट किया था, एंड ट्रस्ट मी गाइज, इट डिड मिरेकल. विदिन 2 days माय पिंपल्स वर ऑल गॉन. दिस फेशियल सीरम आल्सो हेल्प्स टू रिड्यूस एक्ने स्कार एंड एक्ने स्पॉट. इस रिजल्ट को आपको धीरे धीरे ही पता चलेगा, बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ द केसेस फेशियल सीरम्स टेक 1 month to 2 months to show the best result. This facial serum also helps to reduce dead skin cells and makes the skin brighter. ये फाइन लाइंस को और रिंकल्स को भी रिमूव करता है, बट बहुत धीरे धीरे और रेगुलर यूज करने के बाद ही आपको ये रिजल्ट पता चलेगा. रेगुलर यूज ऑफ दिस सीरम improves your skin texture, makes your skin soft, smooth and prevents roughness of the skin. इस फेशियल सीरम को यूज करके मेरे स्किन भी पहले से बहुत सॉफ्ट, स्मूथ और ब्राइट भी हो चुका है. All the benefits they have mentioned really work, but for that you have to give time for almost 2 months, because this facial serum takes up to 2 months to show the result. तो आप इस फेशियल सीरम को आपके नाइट टाइम स्किन केयर पर ही यूज करें, बिकॉज स्किन हीलिंग प्रोसेस occurs at night time. Now how to use this facial serum? तो इस फेशियल सीरम के 2-3 ड्रॉप्स just apply on your face. You can apply directly on your face, and directly apply करने से कोई भी irritation नहीं होगा आपके skin में, and just don't massage it, just pat like this so that the facial serum gets absorbed into your skin. And after that you can apply any moisturizer. This facial serum can be used by all skin types. Oily and acne prone skin types can definitely go for this facial serum because this facial serum is water based and very lightweight. So this facial serum is just amazing, and guys, you should try this facial serum once. This is the first facial serum I am trying, and guys, मैं बहुत impressed हूँ इस facial serum को use करके. Plus this facial serum is very affordable. CS Secrets products are really amazing, I must say. I am looking forward to try their other products. Guys, if you want to buy these products, link I will give in my description box. So guys, that's all for today's episode. I hope I was able to add value, and if you guys found this video helpful, do like this video, share this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell because that would mean a lot. And guys, I'm new here and I need your support. If you have any video request, do let me know in the comment below. Guys, my profile is going live on TagMango, so subscribe to my profile at TagMango for premium video contents, and you can also follow me on Instagram and do listen to my podcast Payal Dam Show. So yeah, thank you for staying with me till the end. Take care. मिलते हैं next time और एक new episode के साथ. तब तक के लिए